We thought it was just another prank night until a man came out with a rifle and disappeared into the woods. When I was 13, me and my troublemaking friends would play ding-dong ditch on Saturday nights. We lived in a quiet suburban neighborhood, except back then there were more trees than houses. That night we hit 5 or 6 homes. Most guys just shouted and slammed their doors. But then we tried one house on the next block. It looked abandoned, tall grass, broken car in the driveway, windows so dark you couldn't see inside. My friend Mark ran up, rang the bell, and sprinted back across the street. The door opened almost instantly. A huge man, 6 feet tall, stocky, stepped out furious. He searched every bush, every tree, yelling threats. We laughed. Big mistake. Mark, being stupid, waited until the man went back in and rang the bell again. This time the man came out with a rifle. We froze. He searched everywhere, slower now. He walked right into his yard, then stopped. He turned and stared straight into the woods, right at us. We ducked, silent, breathless. He stood there watching, then walked back inside. But moments later, we saw him at the window, still staring our way. We didn't know Mark had snuck back again to ring the bell. He did, then ran. But the man didn't chase. Not yet. A full minute passed. Then Mark's voice. "Run!" We turned, and the man was charging through the trees with his rifle pointed right at us. We ran like prey. No one spoke, just pure panic. When we finally caught our breath, Mark said the man had crept into the woods while we were watching the window. He was hunting us. We never told anyone, just our friends. That house, we never went near it again, and no one ever moved in.